Hey guys, welcome to this video. Welcome to the White Rock Crypto. So on this channel I do all kinds of cryptocurrency related tutorials, and in this tutorial I will show you step by step how to buy UMA on Binance. Okay, here are the exchanges you can buy it, but in this tutorial we're going to focus on Binance. I've been using Binance for over 3 years now, and it's absolutely my favorite exchange. Okay, so it's the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. So to buy UMA, all you have to do is first sign up on Binance. You can find the link in the description, and after you have signed up, this is the first page that you will see. Okay, the first thing that you want to understand is that you will have your own cryptocurrency wallet when you create your Binance account. So let me show you my wallet. So it's just like a physical wallet, but instead it's digital. So all of the cash and all of the coins that you have will show up right here in this wallet. Like you can see, I have some coins here. Okay, so that's how it works. And to actually buy UMA, all you have to do is go to buy crypto, and here you can buy cryptocurrency straight up with your credit card or bank deposit, peer-to-peer trading, cash balance, and third-party payment. Basically the same as these, but they use different payment systems. So out of these 5, I have used bank deposit and credit and debit card the most. These days I have been just using credit and debit card. So let's click that, just because it's so easy. Let me show you. So when you come here, you can buy cryptocurrency straight up with your credit card. Now let's click this coin and type in UMA here. Like you can see, you can't buy UMA straight up with your credit card. And the reason why that is because there's like 10,000 different cryptocurrencies, and they can't do it for everyone. Okay, because we are very early still. So this just shows how early we are still. We still have to buy cryptocurrencies in a different way. So first, for example, we have to buy Bitcoin and then trade that Bitcoin into other cryptocurrencies, and that's what we are going to do with UMA. Let me show you. So let's go trade and classic. I click the pairing and type in UMA. Okay, so here it says that UMA has Bitcoin and USDT pairing, which means that if you own any of these two assets, you can trade that into UMA. So in this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to buy first Bitcoin and then trade that Bitcoin into UMA. Okay, so to buy Bitcoin, I go to buy crypto and credit and debit card. Here I can buy Bitcoin straight up with my credit card. So let's scroll down a little bit here. So here, how to buy with bank card. Input amount. So click here and type in how much Bitcoin you want to buy. Okay. And after that, click buy BTC. Then you will be taken to confirm payment details and complete safety certification. And after that, the payment is complete. It takes like a minute to do. Okay. And after that, the Bitcoin you just bought here will show up right here in your wallet. So it's that easy to buy Bitcoin. Okay. And now when you have your Bitcoin right here, to trade that Bitcoin into UMA, all you have to do is again go to trade, go to classic, search UMA, and click UMA/BTC. Okay, so this is how you actually buy UMA. So now that we bought the Bitcoin with our credit card, we are going to trade that into UMA. And here's how this works. So these are sell orders, people who are selling UMA, and these are buy orders, people who are buying UMA. Okay, so you are actually now also buying UMA, so you want to watch these. So these are sell orders, and this is the lowest that somebody is currently willing to sell their UMA tokens. Now these days I just use market buy. With limit buy you can, for example, if you think the price is going to drop a little bit, you can put your bid there, and when the price drops, it will automatically buy it for you. But if the price doesn't drop, you don't get your token. So that's why these days I don't use limit, I just use market, which means that Binance will automatically give you the best pricing that is currently. Okay. So that being said, I click market, and then I select how much UMA I want to buy. So if I go with 100%, that means that it sells all of my Bitcoins that I just bought with my credit card and trades that in the UMA. Okay, but if I select like, for example, 50%, that means that it sells 50% of the Bitcoins and trade that in the UMA. So select how much UMA will you want to buy, then just click buy UMA, and then the trade will execute, and the UMA you just bought will show up right here in your wallet. Okay, everything always goes to your wallet. So whatever you do, you can always find them in your wallet. So that's that. Now when you have the UMA right here in your wallet, you can also sell it and trade it if you want. So let me show how to do that. Okay, so you have the UMA here. All you have to do is go to trade, classic, type in UMA, and you can sell UMA for Bitcoin or USDT. Let's say that you want to sell it for USDT. Let's click that. After that, again, limit or market, I go with market, then here sell, and I just select how much UMA I want to sell. So for example, if I want to sell all, then I just can click sell UMA. Now it will trade my UMA to USDT. Okay, so now I have USDT. Now I can keep trading it. So let's say that I have the USDT now. Now I can buy any of these currencies. Let's say that I want to buy BTT. So I click that. Then I come here again, market, and buy BTT with my USD. Okay, so like you can see, you can keep trading whatever you want. Now you can buy any coin on Binance, not only UMA. You can buy any coin with this method. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Also, if you're interested in getting a new free newsletter where I tell you my top 3 picks for 2021. I tell latest news and market updates, their bonuses, giveaways, free tutorials, trainings, crazy stuff, crazy value for free. You can go to the description of this video and leave your email address and subscribe to my email list where I send you daily emails, cryptocurrency related emails. Okay. Then I also have Wolf's cryptocurrency investments portfolio insight. So I decided to start building a portfolio for this new project, White Rock Crypto, and I will basically document the journey. And now you can participate the journey. You can see my whole portfolio there, what I'm building, and the risk is there. Of course, it could go to zero, the portfolio. But I'm a huge believer of cryptocurrencies. This is not financial advice. This is 100% entertainment. I built this for entertainment purposes. I document it, and you can like see what I'm doing if you want. You can get instant access and you can see what I'm doing. Okay, if you're interested in that, you can find that on the description also. Also, I highly recommend you to subscribe to White Rock Crypto. We do daily cryptocurrency videos, daily tutorials, educational stuff, and very interesting things are coming. I will create videos on how to stake tokens, how you can start earning passive income with your cryptocurrencies. I will do all kinds of like tutorials on the exchanges and whatnot, also reviews and all kinds of cool stuff. So definitely stay in the loop, subscribe, go to check out the free newsletter also, and like this video. That would help me so much, and share it with your friends if you want. And yeah, definitely thank you so much, and see you guys in the next videos. Okay.